Hello everyone. Previous lecture we have studied the concept related with the chapter straight line, and in that we see some standard forms of a line. Here we see the first form, double intercept form, and second is normal form. We define these two forms and we see some important examples related with these forms. Now in today's lecture we go with the new concept in this chapter, and is here general form of equation of a line. Here we have a standard form, we have a standard equation, and every equation of line is of the form here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, here we consider the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and this equation is called the general form of equation of line. So remember this equation. Here every equation of line is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So in today's lecture we go with the concept related with this equation, related with this general form. Okay, here we define slope of given line first. Okay, here slope of given line is equal to, let us consider here slope is m, and here the slope is always in the form minus a upon b. Remember, if our equation is x plus by plus c equal to 0, then here slope of given line is minus a upon b. Here we define x-intercept now. Here x-intercept is always in the form here minus c by a. Remember, here x-intercept is minus c upon a, and here a is not equal to 0. In above also b is not equal to 0, that is denominator is not equal to 0. Now we define the y-intercept. Here y-intercept is equal to minus c upon b. Okay, and here also b is not equal to 0. Okay, so we define slope, x-intercept and y-intercept related with this equation. Let's go with some examples related with this part. Here first example is having find the slope and intercepts. Find the slope and intercept made by the following lines. Okay, let's go with first one. Here given 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here we know this equation is in the form here ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so we compare this equation with our general form, comparing given equation with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here we get values of a, b and c. Here a is equal to 2. If we compare these two, we get a is equal to 2. If we compare b, here b is 3. Here we compare c, here c is equal to minus 6. Now we know a, b and c. Now to find slope, we consider m and is minus a upon b. Okay, so here slope m is equal to minus a upon b. We know a is 2, so we replace a by using 2. This divided by here b is 3, so we replace b by using 3, and we get here slope m is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Okay, now we find the x-intercept. Here x-intercept is minus c upon a. Okay. Also x-intercept is equal to minus c upon a is equal to, we know c is minus 6. Okay. So minus of minus 6, this divided by a. We know a is 2, and lastly here we get 6 upon 2, and 6 upon 2 means 3. Here x-intercept is 3. Then we go with y-intercept. Here y-intercept is minus c upon b. So here y-intercept is equal to minus c upon b is equal to, we know c is minus 6, so minus of minus 6 upon b is 3, and this is equal to 6 upon 3, and we know 6 upon 3 is 2. So here for the given equation, slope is minus 2 upon 3, x-intercept is 3, and y-intercept is 2. So very interesting example and very simple example it is. Okay, let's go with second example. Here given equation of line is 3x minus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Again, everyone knows this equation is in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so we compare given equation with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then here we get a as here 3, b is minus 1, and c is here minus 9. Okay, now we find slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Here we know slope m is here minus a upon b. Okay, here a is 3, so we replace a by using 3. So here minus 3 upon b is minus 1 and is equal to 3. Therefore m is equal to 3. Slope is 3. Next we have to find x-intercept. We know x-intercept is minus c upon a. We know here c is minus 9, so minus of minus 9, this divided by a is 3, this is equal to 9 by 3, and we know 9 by 3 is 3. Then here y-intercept, here is a minus c upon b, so here minus of c is a minus 9, c is a minus 9, this divided by b, here b is a minus 1, and this is equal to here 9 upon minus 1, that is here we get minus 9. Here we get minus 9. So we find slope, x-intercept and y-intercept of the given equation of line. Again, very simple example and very interesting example it is. Now we go with our next another example, another part. Example given, write the equation in ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. Okay, here first is given y is equal to 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4. Now we have to write this equation is in form x plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so we consider given things. Consider here y is equal to 2x minus 4. Okay. Here I write this as here 2x. Here y is given in LHS. We have to transfer or we have to shift this y in RHS. Okay. So if we transfer here, we get minus y, then minus 4 as it is equal to 0. Now this equation is in the form here ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. Let's go with second one. Here in second, given x upon 2 plus y upon 4 is equal to 1. is equal to 1. Okay, now we have to write this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So consider given things. Consider x upon 2 plus y upon 4 is equal to 1. Okay, here firstly we have to make this denominator as 4. So we multiply this first part by 2 by 2. If we multiply, we get here 2x upon 4 plus y upon 4 is equal to 1. Then here we get 2x plus y, this divided by 4 is equal to 1. And in last, here 2x plus y is equal to 4. Again, I write one more step. Here 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this equation is in the form, here ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, let's go with our third example. Here in third, given y is equal to 4. Only y is equal to 4 is given. Let us consider given equation. Again, consider y is equal to 4. Here I write this as y minus 4 is equal to 0. I write one more step. Here 0x plus 1y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this equation is in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so very simple and interesting example it is. So remember, here if our equation is x plus by plus c equal to 0, then this is called the general form of the line. And here slope is always here minus a upon b, x-intercept is a minus c upon a, and y-intercept is here minus c upon b. Remember this part. Okay. Now in today's lecture, we go with our next part in this chapter. Here we have to find the angle between intersecting lines. If two lines are given in the form of x plus by plus c equal to 0, if these two lines are intersecting, then we find the angle in between these two lines by using this slope. Okay, so we go with this part. Angle between intersecting lines. Okay, previous lecture we see how to find the angle in between two intersecting lines. Here to find the angle, we consider here theta is the angle in between these two lines, and to find theta we use here tan theta is equal to inside the mod here m1 minus m2, this divided by 1 plus m1 m2, and remember here m1 is the slope of first line and m2 is the slope of second line. Okay, so by using this formula we have to find the angle between these two intersecting lines. Okay, so we go with example. Here given, find the acute angle between, pair of lines. Here in the first given 12x minus 4y equal to 5. Second is 4x plus 2y equal to 7. 4x plus 2y equal to 7. So here two lines are given. Firstly, remember here these two lines is in the form x plus by plus c equal to 0. Or we consider separately here, consider lines. Here given 12x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, and second is here 4x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Now these two lines is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, let us consider m1 is the slope of first line, m2 be the slope of second line. Okay, so here I write let m1 be the slope of line here 12x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So here slope of this line, that is m1, is equal to, now here we know a is 12, b is minus 4, c is minus 5, and to find the slope of given line we consider minus a upon b is equal to, here minus of a is 12, this divided by b, here b is minus 4, and this is equal to 3. So slope of first line is 3. Now we consider m to be the slope of second line. Let m2 be the slope of line, here line is 4x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so here m2 is equal to, again here to find m2 we consider a, b. Here a is 4, b is 2, so minus a upon b is equal to minus 4 by 2, and this is equal to minus 2. Here m2 is minus 2. Okay, let theta be the angle in between these two lines. Okay, so here directly by using the formula tan theta is equal to inside the mod m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2 we find the angle. Okay, let theta be the angle between two lines, therefore here tan theta is equal to inside the mod m1 minus m2, this divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Now we replace m1 by using 3, so 3 minus m2 by using minus 2, this divided by 1 plus m1 is 3, m2 is minus 2. This is equal to, here we get minus of minus is plus, so 3 plus 5, 2 is 5. This divided by, we know 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, and 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Then here we get inside the mod minus 1, and this is equal to 1. We get tan theta is equal to 1. Now here we know 1 is here tan pi by 4. We have to write this 1 in the form of tan. Okay, so here tan theta is equal to tan pi by 4. If we compare these two, here we get theta is equal to pi by 4. So by using this formula and by using our definition of slope, here we find angle theta. Now we go with our second example. In second, here given y is equal to 2x plus 3, and in second y is equal to 3x plus 7. 3x plus 7. Okay, let us consider equation again, and this equation is in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here I write this equation as 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0, and here I write second equation as 3x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Let us consider slope of first line is m1. Let m1 be the slope of line here 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. We need to find the slope m1. We consider minus a upon b. Here a is 2, b is minus 1. So is equal to minus 2 upon minus 1 and is equal to 2. Let m2 be the slope of the line m to be the slope of the line. Here 3x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Again, to find m2, we consider a minus a upon b. Here a is 3, b is minus 1. So minus 3 upon here minus 1. We know minus 3 upon minus 1 is 3. So m2 is 3. Let theta be the angle between the given lines. Okay, so tan theta is equal to, inside the mod, m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. This is equal to, inside the mod, we know m1 is 2 minus m2 is 3. This divided by here 1 plus m1 is 2, m2 is 3 is equal to, here 2 minus 3 is minus 1. This divided by, we know 2 into 3 is 6 and 1 plus 6 is 7. And this is equal to 1 by 7. So we get tan theta is equal to 1 upon 7. We have to find theta only. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 7. And this is the angle between these two lines. Okay, so in today's lecture, we consider the general form of the line. We see how to find slope, x-intercept and y-intercept of the given line. Then we see how to find the acute angle between the pair of lines. And we see some important examples related with this part. Thank you.